If you want to start dropshipping using Spocket and Shopify, the process is pretty simple and beginner friendly. First, go to Spocket's website and create a free account. Once you're logged in, the next step is to connect your Shopify store. Spocket makes this easy. Just click on Connect Store and follow the prompts to authorize access to your Shopify account. After your store is connected, you can start browsing Spocket's product catalog. Use the filters to find items that ship fast from suppliers in the US or Europe, which helps keep your customers happy with quick delivery. When you find a product you like, just click Add to Import list. This saves it for you to customize before adding it to your store. Head over to your import list next. Here you can edit the product's title, description, pricing, and choosing which variants you want to sell. Make sure everything fits your store's brand name and target audience. Once you're happy with the details, click Push to Store, and the product will go live on your Shopify store automatically. When the customer places an order, Spocket will handle the fulfillment and shipping for you, sending tracking info both to you and your customer. This automation means you don't have to worry about manually ordering or shipping products yourself. That's the basic flow for using Spocket with Shopify. Easy to set up and great for scaling your dropshipping business. If this helped you get started, please like the video, subscribe for more e commerce tips, and leave a comment if you want to help choosing the best products to sell.